Welcome back to the Auto Hub. The 2026 Prevost Motorhome stands as a symbol of automotive craftsmanship, luxury, and innovation, an ultimate expression of what it means to travel in comfort and style. For decades, Prevost has been synonymous with elite motor coaches that redefine the limits of mobile living, and the 2026 model takes that reputation even further. Every curve, every interior detail, and every technological advancement has been meticulously crafted to deliver an unmatched travel experience. As the world moves towards smarter, greener, and more personalized modes of transport, Prevost has once again positioned itself at the forefront of luxury motorhome design. What sets the 2026 Prevost apart is its seamless integration of power, efficiency, and opulence. Built on the iconic Prevost H345 and X345 chassis platforms, the new motorhome maintains the brand's reputation for robust performance and reliability. The frame is composed of stainless steel and aluminium alloys, ensuring exceptional durability while minimizing overall weight. The 2026 model introduces a re-engineered aerodynamic profile, improving fuel efficiency by nearly 10% compared to its predecessor. This is achieved through refined front-end contours, smooth air underbody panels, and adaptive air suspension that lowers the coach automatically at highway speeds to reduce drag. Under the hood, the 2026 Prevost offers a next-generation Volvo D13 powertrain with hybrid assist technology. This system allows the motorhome to operate more efficiently in city environments and to harness regenerative braking power during descents, converting it into stored electrical energy. The result is a cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable driving experience. Paired with an updated transmission system that provides smoother gear transitions, the new Prevost delivers effortless power while maintaining its signature whisper-quiet ride quality. Stepping inside, the 2026 Prevost immediately envelops its occupants in an atmosphere of bespoke luxury. Every inch of the interior reflects a combination of craftsmanship and modern design philosophy. The cabin lighting is fully adaptive, automatically adjusting based on time of day and natural light levels. LED ambient lighting outlines the ceiling, cabinetry, and floor panels, creating a serene environment that feels both high-tech and inviting. The materials are sourced from sustainable supple hardwood veneers, Italian leathers, and eco-friendly composites, demonstrating Prevost's commitment to both luxury and environmental responsibility. The living area feels more like a high-end penthouse than a vehicle. An advanced slide-out system expands the interior space with precision-engineered motion, creating a spacious living and dining environment at the touch of a button. The furniture is modular and customizable, allowing owners to reconfigure seating and tables to suit their lifestyle. Integrated smart glass windows can transition from clear to tinted or opaque with a simple command, ensuring privacy and temperature control without the need for traditional blinds. The entertainment and connectivity systems are where the 2026 Prevost truly shines. It features a fully integrated digital ecosystem that synchronizes with mobile devices, allowing users to control lighting, temperature, and even navigation through voice commands or an intuitive touchscreen interface. A 5G-enabled Wi-Fi system ensures high-speed internet connectivity anywhere on the road. The onboard multimedia center supports 8K streaming and immersive surround sound, providing a cinematic experience even while parked in remote locations. For those who work on the go, the Prevost includes a dedicated workspace equipped with ergonomic seating, noise cancellation, and satellite communication options, ideal for digital nomads or executives who need productivity without compromise. The kitchen area is another showcase of thoughtful design. Equipped with energy-efficient appliances, induction cooking surfaces, and intelligent storage systems, it allows owners to prepare gourmet meals while traveling. The smart refrigerator monitors food freshness and energy usage, while built-in water filtration ensures clean drinking water anywhere in the world. Every detail, from the seamless countertops to the retractable dining bar, reflects the brand's dedication to blending functionality with aesthetic elegance. The bedroom and bathroom suites elevate the experience even further. The master suite includes a queen or optional king-size bed with memory foam technology that adjusts firmness based on sleep patterns. A panoramic skylight overhead offers breathtaking views of the night sky, while ambient sound systems create a calming sleep environment. The bathroom features heated floors, rainfall showers, and luxury finishes that rival five-star hotels. Even the ventilation system has been redesigned to provide spa-like air purification and humidity control. Beyond luxury and technology, safety remains at the heart of Prevost's engineering philosophy. The 2026 model incorporates advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and a 360-degree camera network. An AI-powered monitoring system constantly evaluates road conditions, driver behavior, and vehicle performance, offering real-time alerts and automated adjustments. The braking system has been enhanced with new hydraulic-electric integration, ensuring maximum stability and precision during emergency stops. What truly makes the 2026 Prevost remarkable, however, is the sense of freedom it offers. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving sanctuary, designed for those who see travel not as a necessity but as a lifestyle. Whether parked along a coastal highway, in the heart of a national park, or outside a luxury resort, the Prevost provides an experience that transcends traditional notions of travel. It blends the independence of the open road with the sophistication of luxury living, allowing owners to explore without ever sacrificing comfort. The customization options available in 2026 take personalization to an entirely new level. Buyers can collaborate directly with Prevost designers to craft interiors that reflect their taste as a modern minimalist, classic elegance, or futuristic chic. From the layout to the fabrics and even the scent of the leather, every element can be tailored. For those seeking exclusivity, limited edition variants are available with handcrafted details, unique color palettes, and serialized plaques marking their individuality. As travel continues to evolve in a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the 2026 Prevost Motorhome represents a forward-looking approach that embraces both environmental responsibility and human comfort. It captures the essence of what luxury travel should be: effortless, intelligent, and deeply personal. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, timeless craftsmanship, and visionary design, the 2026 Prevost is more than a motorhome. It's a statement of freedom, sophistication, and the endless pursuit of perfection on wheels.